one can dive into the world of cryptocurrency without basic knowledge about it. How does it work? What is it made of? How is it made? Who made each cryptocurrency? What are they for? These are some of the few questions you need basic understanding of in order to decide for yourself whether or not cryptocurrencies are for you or not. And more importantly, whether you'd want to invest in cryptocurrency in the first place. Welcome to our channel, where we show you all the latest, relevant, and any information that has to do or affects the world of cryptocurrencies, all in the comfort of your very own crypto attic. Today, we will look into the different blockchain courses that could help you answer some of the basic questions you have on crypto. But before anything else, please remember that this video is not any form of financial advice, but solely our fact-based opinion that is meant to educate and inform you of the latest and most relevant information straight from the world of cryptocurrencies. We strongly urge you to do your own research before dealing, trading, or buying any cryptocurrencies because knowledge is your greatest asset. Invest in it first. So you might already be asking yourself, what is a blockchain and how does it relate to crypto? Well, to put it simply, it is the technology that allows the majority of cryptocurrencies to even exist. In fact, Bitcoin, the crypto that spearheaded the rise of cryptocurrencies to where it is today, is structured on blockchain technology as well. Blockchains are decentralized digital ledgers that provide secure ways of doing digital transactions, as any form of tampering on it will be immediately obvious, making it very hard for unwanted entities having damaging access to it, as it would be detected and resolved in almost real time. At the most fundamental level, blockchains are platforms or tools that allow users to record any transactions made on top of the platforms into a shared ledger in a group. That means that under no circumstance can a transaction be modified or altered dubiously once it has been published on the shared ledger on a blockchain network. In order for transactions to be authorized or given the go signal for completion, users utilize public and private keys, making it unique and secure. There is of course a ton more to discover about blockchain technology, and to help you find a starting point, we've compiled some of the best courses to facilitate your learning. Of course, you could always look for free stuff online, but if you really want to have detailed and sorted data on how blockchains really work and what they are for to use as a foundation before getting into crypto, then look no further than the courses on our list. Going through these courses and certification programs not only give you a solid foundation, but also amplifies your chances of having a better career opportunity and earning potential in the fast-paced environment of the digital world. Blockchain Security by INE. The Blockchain Security course offered by INE, or International Expert, is one that gives you an in-depth overview of the different aspects of blockchain technology security, including consensus algorithms, cryptography, network security, security for smart contracts, and attacks and defenses on blockchains. You can avail this particular course with a subscription either monthly or annually. If you are a security professional, a developer, or just someone who's looking to know more about blockchain and cryptocurrency in general, then this is one of our highly recommended courses to take. The course consists of the following modules: Blockchain Security Fundamentals, Blockchain Security Advanced Concepts, Blockchain Risk Management, Blockchain Audits, Vulnerabilities and Vulnerable Remediation, Blockchain Platform Security Considerations, and Course Review. Taking up this course will expose you to hands-on projects, which is always better than just reading through stuff and watching videos. There will also be case studies available and real-world examples that will help you appreciate and have a deeper understanding and appreciation of each section of this course. This course is also modular, which is another thing to consider when choosing your subscription to be either monthly or annual. Certified Enterprise Blockchain Professional, or CEBP, by 101 Blockchains. Another great program to consider is CEBP, offered by one of the leading providers of training and research on enterprise blockchains. For the uninitiated, enterprise blockchain is a kind of blockchain with permissions that can be used to scale up business processes like tracking supplies, concluding international transactions, or exchanging digital information for a company's internal and external businesses. The course is divided into 4 topics which could be completed within a week's time, giving you a total of 4 weeks or a month to finish the entire course. The topics are Blockchain Technology Fundamentals, Enterprise Blockchain Platforms, Blockchain and Trade Finance, and Blockchain Applications and Use Cases. This whole course is designed for professionals looking to integrate blockchain technology into their companies or the companies they work for. That is why it focuses more on expanding career opportunities and marketability. You could avail the certification course for only $399, and considering you're paying for a piece of the future, the purchase would definitely be worth it. It is important to note, though, that you must go through a thorough exam before being qualified for the certification of the program that covers vast topics ranging from blockchain architecture to cryptography and smart contracts. Certified NFT Professional, or CNFTP, by 101 Blockchains. Another certified program coming from 101 Blockchains is the Certified NFT Professional, or CNFTP. As the name implies, it focuses more on one of blockchain's major uses, non-fungible tokens, or NFTs. Now, this is one of the most appealing courses online as it offers a door into one of the most lucrative areas of blockchain technology. The program covers an array of modules that one needs to succeed in dealing with NFTs today and in the future. It includes blockchain fundamentals, token fundamentals, NFT fundamentals, NFT use cases, NFT benefits, NFT challenges and risks, how to get started with NFT, how to create your first NFT, and finally the most anticipated part of the course, trading NFTs. Now, the beauty of this course is that once purchased, it'll be a lifetime subscription for only $179, which is a total steal considering its contents and how it could launch your career or portfolio into the mid or top level of the digital world. And being able to go through the course for an unlimited time is another bonus. Would you be interested in building your own NFTs? Connect with like-minded people down the comment section. And if you've already started one, share it too, so the community could support you. Certified Blockchain Expert, or CBE, by Blockchain Council. This one's title has a nice ring to it, and it should, as you would really become an expert on blockchain technology if you go through this extensive program offered by the Blockchain Council, called Certified Blockchain Expert, or CBE. It was made with the mastery of its learners in mind in the field of blockchain technology. The course contains a wide range of topics that covers the majority, if not everything you need to know about blockchain technology. It includes Introduction to Course, Origin of Blockchain Technology, which seldom has its own module dedicated to it, Introduction to Blockchain, Tokenize Everything, Blockchain Ecosystem, Blockchain Mining, Transactions UTXO versus Account Model, Security and Privacy, Other Consensus Mechanisms in Blockchain, Blockchain Solutions, Steps and Measures, and Use Cases of Blockchain. The certification course could be accessed for $179, and though it is self-paced, you need to score at least 60 out of a 100-point comprehensive exam covering topics ranging from blockchain architecture to cryptography to be able to have your certificate. Blockchain A to Z. Learn how to build your first blockchain by Udemy. The last course we would recommend is perhaps the most technical out of all the courses on our list. It is a course that is offered in the world-renowned Udemy called Blockchain A to Z. Learn how to build your first blockchain. It is a course specifically made for people who are looking to get into blockchain, learn how it operates, and ultimately create their very own blockchain solutions. This course consists of the following topics: how to create a cryptocurrency, and how to create a smart contract. Now, these might seem few to you, but each of these topics is actually an extensive collection of digestible data arranged for optimum absorbability. It includes mini quizzes, hands-on projects to help learners absorb their learnings more efficiently, and video lectures that you can get back to or replay to review topics you need for the said activities and quizzes. The course only costs $74 and is structured for 14.5 total learning hours. Once completed, holders of the certificate are sure to gain indispensable knowledge and skills that one needs in order to be successful in the realm of the modern digital world founded on blockchain technology. Whatever course you take, be sure to take it seriously, as being equipped with the right knowledge and skills is a privilege that only a few have been able to access when diving into the realm of blockchain technology and cryptocurrency. That alone is an edge you hold against the majority of players on the market. That's all for today. We hope that you'll be able to find the right course for you. Oh, and remember that you are not limited to a single course, as some courses on the list complement each other. Make sure to follow Crypto Addict for more informative videos and hit on that bell button so you won't miss out on any of our next videos. Bye!